You asked, how to divide 6081 by 2 using the long division method. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. 0 times 2 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Bring down 8, making 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Bring down 1, making 1. 1 divided by 2 equals 0. 0 times 2 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 3040 remainder 1.